Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play a C flat minor chord on your keyboard. First we locate the root note, the C flat, play this with your first finger. Then we locate the next note, it's the note D, play this with your third finger. I have to tell you, in theory, this note is actually called E double flat because of the scale, but today we'll just call it D, alright? Last note is the G flat, play this with your fifth finger. There you have it, the C flat minor chord. Now, because the C flat minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the C flat, all the way to the top. Like this, move your hand. This is called C flat minor first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note, the D, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called C flat minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion moving the bottom note, the G flat, all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord again, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. And of course you can go the other way on the piano. This is C flat minor root. To go down, move the top note of the chord to the bottom, move your hand. This is the second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. This is the first inversion, and again move the top note to the bottom. C flat minor root inversion. Okay? Now let's do it one more time. C flat minor root inversion, bottom note to the top. First inversion, bottom note to the top. Second inversion, bottom note to the top. Root inversion. And the other way, root inversion, top note to the bottom. The second inversion, top note to the bottom. First inversion, top note to the bottom. Root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, and root. And you can also practice these inversions using arpeggios like this. There you have it, the C flat minor chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.